Hello everyone, how to calculate age in Excel without DATEDIF formula. So let's start. So here you can see I have data, the name list and date of birth list. So here I'm going to use one formula. First select the cell, then use is equal to and type here the int. So here I'm using the int formula. In bracket, type here year frac. So here I select the year frac formula. Then in brackets, select the date of birth, DOB, then use the comma, then type here today's function, and in bracket closed again, bracket in again last bracket. Okay, to entire close this formulas. Okay, after that, press the enter key and that's it. You can see age calculated. Select the cell and double click on this corner point and here you see the every person age here calculated. So this is a way you can calculate it age in Excel without DATEDIF formula. Hope you understood. If you like this, subscribe the channel. Thank you.